wireless audio receiver transmitter, and this has HD transmission, wireless 5.3, wireless connection, and receive and transmit. How about that? You can see how it works. It uses Bluetooth. It can go from the TV to a pair of headphones, which that's what I got it for, is because late at night I might have the TV going. I want to watch a movie, and I don't want everybody in the house to, you know, start going off on me. So right here's what you get with it. You get a little USB-C cable. I guess this thing has to have power somewhere. Yep, you stick it in right there. And then you get the actual port that has the dual port on it. To turn it on, you're going to mash the play button right there. And as soon as I mash that, it comes up as playing right there. Now what I'm going to do is connect my phone to it. It looks like it comes up as D58. So we're all connected up. Now let me take it over. I've got a 3.5 millimeter jack that plugs into my receiver, DVD player, and all that. And let's see how this thing works, because I'm really curious. One of the things is you can use it on your car if you want to run it through like an auxiliary port. But right now it's plugged up to my phone. So let's run the phone into my DVD player that has an input. So let's take it over there and do that now. Okay, so I'm here at my DVD. You can see this is my TV, my DVD setup. There's an auxiliary in right here. So technically, that will go into there. Now, I've never actually used this function before. So you see now it says audio in. Let me get you a little closer. Audio in, we have the connector going right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up my phone and let's play some music. All right, what I'm gonna do is play some classical music so that way there's no copyright.
Maximum volume.
Oh, wow, it works. There it is. I have a Bluetooth receiver now for my DVD player. That worked perfect, everybody. So this is transmitting from my phone into that, which is way better than just one of those little speakers. I know it's kind of hard to hear. I mean, on a camera, kind of hard to tell you what that sounds like, but that's so much better than using one of those little Bluetooth speakers, because now anything with a 3.5 millimeter jack will be able to work like that. This is something I think will be great for anyone that just wants to have, you know, wireless transmission. Now, the next time I'll use it is I'll do headphones from my TV and use that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the audio input, Bluetooth. See y'all in the next video.